Hey everyone, Guru here from Guru Design Lab. Welcome back to the another SOLIDWORKS tutorial. Today we are tackling exercise 20 from our engineering drawing series. We will model this highly symmetrical four-lobed geometry plate step by step. This exercise is perfect for mastering advanced sketching constraint and circular patterns. We will start by defining the central 60 mm bore. Then we will create the mirrored outer profiles with precise radii. Finally, we will extrude it to 25 mm thickness. Fire up or your SolidWorks and let's go designing. So first we need to close this exercise and then we start from this from a sketch. So go to part and select OK. Take any plane, top plane, go to sketch. Take to center line. At here another circle, center line. Select OK. Take another center line for creating a circle at here. Make it horizontal. Select this line and convert it for construction. Then we will start. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 126 divided by 2, that is 63, and also this 162 divided by 2, and create two circles at here. Create two circles at here. Go to circle and select this point and create another circle at here of the dimension 60 mm. Create another circle at here of the dimension 82 mm. Select OK. And the circle diameter is 32.5 into 2, and this bigger circle is 44.8 into 2. Select OK and create a line at here. Sorry guys, delete it. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 146 divided by 2, that is 73, and create a arc at this point. So go to arc and create a 3-point arc. First point, second point, and third point. Go to smart dimension and this radius is 12 mm and make it tangent. So then select these circles and this line and make this tangent. and trim these extra entities. Create these lines at horizontal point. Yeah, select. Trim these extra entities. Trim entities. Go to mirror entities and select these entities which is which have to mirror. And select this all entities and mirror about. Select this reference line. Select OK. Select all these entities with control button. Go to mirror entities and mirror about. Select these lines, reference line, and select OK. Go to features tab, select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 25 mm. You see some mistakes are here. Go to edit sketch. Mirror these entities, mirror about this line. Select OK. You can see here the design is ready, and now you can color it from the appearance tab. Select OK. After using appearance tab, we can see the results of this model. So, and that's how you model exercise 20 efficiently. By leveraging symmetry and proper geometry relation, we kept our feature tree perfectly clean. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button right now and subscribe to Guru Design Lab for more high quality CAD tutorials. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues with the dimension. Thank you so much for watching. And this is Guru signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you guys.